So first of all, we need to have one file. That file name should be index and the extension should be .html. We can open this file in text editors, but here I'll be using Visual Studio Code. So this index.html file is empty now. So what I can do, I can write the HTML code from the scratch. But what I'll do, I'll be using some online tool. Maybe I'll be using ChatGPT. Let me open ChatGPT. Okay, so here let me provide some command. Create blog template using HTML and CSS. So it is generating HTML code for a blog template. So what I am going to do, so I'll be copying all this HTML code and I'll be pasting it in my index.html. So I no need to write HTML code from the scratch. If you want, you can write it from the scratch or you can use some other tools also. So let me copy this HTML code first. I'll be pasting it in index.html. So what I'll do, I can have only home. You can use about and contact as well, but currently I can have only home. Let me remove this tag as well. And let me have one style tag. And I'll copy CSS from ChatGPT. Okay, so it is done. Let me open it in a browser. Right click, open with Google Chrome. So if you see, this blog HTML page is created, but it is in local. If you see, it is in local. So what we are going to do, we'll be hosting this website in GitHub account, and after hosting that, it will be available in the internet.